Everybody, want to make a short video announcement for you guys. I'm currently grading your response to readings direct quote analysis assignment. And first of all, some of you guys are doing very good. It's worth a lot of points. It's the equivalent of 2 whole exams, and some of you guys are doing great. It's be very good for your grade. So for those of you doing really well and being thoughtful in your responses and doing a good job reading and thinking about it, that's excellent. Keep up the good work. This assignment, this assignment, this announcement is for those of you who are doing well. It's also for those of you who are choosing to use AI. And a significant number of you guys are using AI to respond to the quotes. Use of AI to generate content or analysis is a form of cheating, and I'll give you a 0 for it. So I'm concerned because so far I still got ways to go in grading, but a significant number of you guys are using AI for all the responses. So that's not going to work for a college history class. Now, maybe in high school, your teacher, I don't know whether you're not, maybe they let you use AI to respond and creating content and analysis. Perhaps they did, I don't know. But I know this history professor is not okay with that, and so you could get a 0 for that. So you guys have more assignments coming up. If you use AI for content generation, you get a 0 for those two, you're going to fail the class. So the reason I'm mentioning it to you guys, I don't want that to happen to you guys. I want you guys to do well. I want you guys to be successful in the class, get a good grade, and move on to your next class, and hope you enjoy the class. And above all, hope you develop more skills, both as a citizen in the United States, but also practically writing skills, analysis skills that you guys can take out in the job market when you guys are finally done at Merced College and transfer and get your degrees wherever you guys are going, and head out to the job market. I want you guys to have some strong marketable skills because you have put in the mental work and effort, and you learn how to write, you learn how to analyze. And I'm afraid AI is not none of that. Now, I don't mind if you guys use Grammarly, for example, simply to proofread. I could use something like that sometimes too. You can probably see my notes occasionally. I have typos and stuff too. So I have no problem with once you're done, again, with your voice, your analysis based on what you read. If you put it into Grammarly and it simply cleans it up a little bit, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. But a significant number of you guys are using AI for analysis. So I have no idea what you really read. I see a quote, that's good, but I have no idea of you processing, you chewing on what McCullough is talking about in Truman or the piece you guys are reading. For the record, I have no idea. So, and if you do that, I'm gonna give you a 0 for that. So I just want to encourage you guys, don't do that. Don't self-sabotage your education. Um, you will be taking another history class because you won't get credit for this one because you're gonna fail the class if you continue to do that. By the way, already some of you guys got a significant loss in this assignment. But you guys have more assignments coming up, right? You have a second response to readings. If you guys are already, because you guys are already probably through working on that one too. If you've been using the AI on that one, I'd go back and take all the AI out. You can keep the quotes, that's fine. But I need to hear you, not AI. So I don't need to have a conversation with AI. I want to have a conversation with you guys. That's why I'm putting this again. I want you guys to be successful. That's why I'm making this video. I went back and forth in my own mind whether I want to take the time away from grading to make this video for you guys. But I do want you guys to be successful, and I'll wrap it up with this. But AI is not the way, right? AI does some cool things. I'm not anti-AI. AI in the right context can be a useful tool for us, but not when it's taking the place of your analysis, your thinking, and demonstration of the work you put in and your writing. If AI is simply cleaning it up, grammar and stuff, that's fine, but not for analysis, which many of you are using it for. So I want to encourage you guys, do well in the class, be successful, do not use AI. There's a paper coming up, other things coming up that will be worth a lot of points. If you use AI, and there's a good chance you're going to fail the class. So, and I don't want that for you guys. I want you guys to be successful and do well. So, all right. By the way, for those of you guys who are doing a good job, excellent. You're not using AI. You're doing a good job. Keep up the good work. All right, everybody. That's it. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.